Good day to everyone. In this video we are going to see how to add PDF documents to Mendeley My Library, followed by applying citations and bibliography through Mendeley Word plugin. Here we start. I had already signed into my Mendeley account and I have a folder named Mendeley from which PDF files are going to be added. Now on User Interface click Add, and from drop-down menu, we can add files through Add Folder, or we can add individual files by clicking Add Files. I am going to add files from folder as an individual file, so I click on Add Files and selected all the files and click Open. OK, now files are being added. Mendeley interface has several options like Add as Favorites, which indicated by a star icon in the left side of the My Library section. There is a green button icon that specifies whether we had already read that file or not. We can open any file by double-click on it and PDF will be open in a new tab, which is almost similar to other PDF readers. In this window we can mark and highlight the important points for further reference. Highlight and note tools can be used to create annotations. In the right side of the window, citation details of the PDF document will be available, which is in the editable format. We can review the details of the citation either manually or through online search. For using Mendeley Citation in MS Word, MS Word plugin must be installed. On Tools menu click Install MS Word plugin. Now open a Word document in which you want to add references. Click Reference tab, where you can see Mendeley Cite-O-Matic tool. Click the position inside text where citation to be added. Here I'm copying a paragraph from an article as an example. Click Insert Citation in Mendeley tool. A new window will appear. You can search the references by author name or title or year of the publication. However, it may not be possible to remember any of those when you have large number of articles. You click Go to Mendeley, which will take you to Mendeley Desktop application. Now you select the file you wish to add from the My Library section and click Cite option in the main menu, or you can select the already opened file from other tabs and insert citation by clicking Cite option. 10, 50, even hundreds of references can be added through this way. Bibliography will be directly added by clicking Insert Bibliography tool present in the Mendeley Cite-O-Matic tab in MS Word. Thank you. Don't forget subscribe our channel for more research informations.